Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or edit your birthday on the Zenless Zone Zero game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Zenless Zone Zero game on your device, and once you open it up, proceed forward with logging in if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to add or edit your date of birth within the game, just tap on the escape button once you have access to your main character. Then tap on your user ID at the top left corner and then tap on the edit button alongside your username. Now you will see the edit birthday option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked to choose your date of birth. Just choose the month and the day and click on confirm. And once you tap on the confirm button once again, your date of birth will be set within your game. You will also have the option to make it public by clicking on the displayed option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your date of birth within the Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.